what do we need? We need white paper, chalk, ruler and water. A glass of water. So, you need white paper because for the chalk you needed to see the colors. If it's any color of the paper, then you can't see. So first you need to put little bit water. Now first you needed to do, you have to take 3 colors, 3 different colors. So you can choose any 3 different colors. I want to start with blue.